In order to find strong acid on Subnautica, make your way towards the northeast, and it's actually going to be in the direction of the giant tree, so it should be pretty easy to find. So anyways, let me go ahead and go underwater, and all you want to do is you want to make your way northeast, and it's actually not too far away. And also, I want to apologize if my game is lagging like crazy. Unfortunately, Subnautica 2 really does take a toll on my device, but anyways, you're going to get past this base. And then you want to keep on going to the left. And eventually you should see that we'll get like this plant over here. And it definitely does look pretty nice. So you actually want to go right past it. And once you go past it, you want to look for a ravine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks like. And I'm going to refrain from cutting this video too much so that you guys are able to see the entire path. Keep on going to the left. And you'll notice that we'll get like this ravine thingamajiggy over here. And all you want to do is you want to make your way there. By the way, you're also going to need a multi-tool as well in order to collect the item. So anyways, then you just want to go inside this current just like so, and be careful. You might need to go ahead and step out of it in order to breathe oxygen, but just keep on going here. And then the current is actually going to take you to the old habitat. So just keep on waiting for it. And then bam, there you go. All you need to do is you need to go up here, and then you'll notice that we'll get like a bunch of these like purple plants and stuff like that. And all you want to do is you want to go to one of these and then get the cyst right over here using your multi-tool. And this is the material that you're going to need in order to make strong acid. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.